So you have made your beautiful infused oil with either LĒVO II or LĒVO C. What you gonna do now? Well, we have these fantastic herb block trays. Come in these cute little boxes in some different colors. They have dry erase snap-on lids. And what these do is they hold 2 cups of infused oil at a time. So if you have LĒVO C, you're going to want 2 of these herb block trays. And when you infuse like olive oil, ghee, or butter, you can leave them in the fridge or freezer to harden. They're 3 tablespoon sized chunks, and they have these super cute little embossed designs on the bottom. Another neat little hack is that if you aren't using infused oil for a certain time, they do make great ice cube trays, and they also make fantastic gummy little molds, especially for nerd block gummies.